Hello everyone and welcome to one of the honkingest Stitch Fixes that I think I've ever gotten. I decided this time around, I believe one or maybe a few of you, or maybe one and then just a bunch of people upvoted the comment. A lot of you wanted me to just I think wanted me to try out the most expensive version of Stitch Fix, you know, where everything you've got checked, like, yeah, I'll spend $250 on a shirt, I'll spend $300 on a pair of jeans, like that sort of a price range, which I am very much not a part of. But so instead of just doing only the highest, I said just whatever clothes. I told my stylist, just pick whatever you want. No holds bars, don't worry about the price, just send me what you think I would like and we'll go from there. So some of this stuff might be really inexpensive, some of it might be really expensive, some of it might be in the middle, I don't know. I'm definitely curious to see how the quality is changed in the clothing based on that sort of a thing. I mean, I think the quality of Stitch Fix clothes tends to be great. Every now and then, you know, it misses the mark. But I mean, this sweater cardigan I got from Stitch Fix, this clothing that I have kept from Stitch Fix holds up very well, I think, and I really do love the pieces that I have kept over the years. I think it's been years that I've been subscribed to Stitch Fix. Well, not subscribed, it's not a subscription. To anyone who doesn't know Stitch Fix real quick, it's a clothing styling service, an online clothing styling service where you can put in your preferences, you take your style quiz, etc., and then you can, whenever you want, like I said, it's not a subscription, so you don't have to get it every month or anything, but you can have it set to like every 2 weeks, you can have it set to every 2 months, whatever you want, and they will send it. Then you can make requests as to what you want, what you don't want, etc. I think it's a lot of fun. I love seeing what my stylist picks for me. You know, it gets me to step outside my comfort zone in some clothes and just find some stuff that I otherwise probably would never even try on in the first place. Trying to think. I don't think, maybe I requested a new piece of jewelry like I tend to do, but other than the pricing, I just said go for it, have fun. So I'm very excited to see what was included. I know last time I got a Stitch Fix, Sasha, my favorite stylist, was on leave. So I got a different stylist, but I thought he did pretty good. At least the ideas were there. It was just some fit problems for me. So let's see. Ooh, okay. So far, I'm intrigued. I am curious. And it's 5 items that they send you for each fix. And depending on, there's lots of different ways you can do it. Ooh, we have got some sweaters. I mean, that color though, both of these colors, freaking gorgeous. Looks like we got the piece of jewelry as well. They also give you the pre-stamped mailer bag for any exchanges or returns that you want to do. But I think, like I was saying, and then I so rudely interrupted myself, can do a one-time payment thing, I think, and then that waives your $20 styling fee for the year, or you can just do it where you pay the $20 styling fee and then whatever you keep in your box, that $20 gets deducted from the price of that piece. So I hope I have explained things thoroughly. Let's see what I got. The jewelry. I really tend to enjoy Stitch Fix jewelry, what they send me. More often than not, I enjoy the pieces. So let's see. I'm assuming this is going to be a necklace. Did I assume wrong? No, I think this is a necklace. Okay, it is. It's kind of chunky, kind of funky, but I think I like it. I certainly like the colors. Yeah, that could be cute on me. I could do that. I like that it's got a really long adjustable clasp to it, so you can wear it longer or shorter. Very nice. And this is from the brand, I don't even know. Evry. Probably butchered that 18 different ways. But anyways, okay, let's get on into the clothing. We'll see on the necklace. That's one of those pieces that A, I think I need to try on, and B, I also need to see the price. So let's see what we got first. Oh, interesting. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is from a brand called Threads for Thought. Got it in a size extra large. Ooh, I like that. I mean, it's really soft, like I said. It's really interesting. Ooh, and I like that it goes on the back. Oh my goodness. So this is just like a gray sweater, sweatshirt type of a thing. It might end up making me look really broad, but we will see once I try this on. But it's just got this, like, I don't know what it's actually called. It's not a ribbon, but some kind of an applique detail going down the chest. Usually that would be something to line a collar, so they would have it like a deep V-neck and then that on there. there, but really interesting and unique. And then that's also on the sleeves. And like I said, this is super soft. So, ooh, I am really excited about that. Although I'm trying not to get too excited because like I said, some of this stuff might be really expensive and I just, you know, we'll have to wait and see. Oh my god, this is really cute. So this is a sweater, knit top, whatever you want. I love the colors, especially for fall and winter here. You know, it's just kind of that grungy, dirty, olivey green. It's got some teal, some orange, a little bit of a corally red, and it's plain in terms of the cut, I think. It's just kind of got that like waffly texture on the inside, so I'm assuming this would be really lightweight, but oh, that's really cute. Maybe, would that be a bit much? I think those might be cute together. Also a huge bonus of Stitch Fix, cats love these boxes. I don't know why. I mean, cats love all boxes, but in particular, Stitch Fix boxes. Hi, Fink. What are you doing? What are you doing? He says I'm hiding from you, woman. All right, now let's see these other sweaters. Huge, chunky sweaters. Ooh, it's so sparkly. I shouldn't say so sparkly, but it's got like a really nice shiny thread running through the knit. Ooh, okay. We'll see once I try this on. Turtlenecks can be a little iffy for me and my chins, but we won't know until I try it on. This is from brand Skies Are Blue, which I think I've gotten stuff from them before, but this is a really nice heavyweight knit, and I just love the colors, the peach, the red, and then the corally orange. Those are really cute together. And then, oh, my weakness. Oh, my weakness. I mean, first off, Madewell. This is from Madewell, so I know this is going to be expensive, but I do really like their clothing. Oh no. Oh no. And this is just a really nice, heavyweight, rusty, pastel, burnt orange salmon. Was that a good description? And it's just a normal cardigan, but like the sleeves, first off, it has that balloon sleeve, and then it's also got these little like polka dot thingies on it. I think, was it my last Stitch Fix, or maybe it was a couple Stitch Fixes ago? Yeah, I think it was, but I got a Madewell sweater and it had the same balloon sleeve and it was so cute. So I am so nervous that I'm gonna love all of these pieces, but I guess we won't know until I try them on. So I'm nervous, but we can do this, and we can do this together. I'm gonna go put on some pants, and then I'll be back. Hey guys. All right, so first sweater on. Like I said, I like the idea of this sweater. I love the colors. It feels like great quality material, and it's a good length. It is comfy, cozy. I just don't know that the neckline is really all that flattering on me. Maybe if I wore like a longer necklace. I don't think this one really necessarily goes. Maybe it does. See, like maybe if there's a necklace peeking out from the turtleneck, it's not so bad. It just kind of breaks up that top color block since it is so big, and it just kind of makes me look really top heavy. So not in love with this one, but I do, like I said, I like the idea of it for sure. Here is the gray sweater, certainly the kind that shows off any lump and bump that you may or may not have. But like I said, I really like the design of it. I don't know that it looks so great on me, on my shoulders and whatnot, but again, this is one that like maybe if I had a necklace that kind of hung to here, it would look a little better. I just really, I don't know. It's something fun and different with the back, like I said, how it continues on the back, and I just think it's fun and different. I think it's really cute. It's very me, and it's very soft. I just like how like when you have it on, it makes more of a burp, 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 like a Charlie Brown squiggle. Yeah. I don't know, I kind of like it. This sweater is so insanely me. I know it's like a stupid thing, but like I love the detail of the seam going down the middle of the front of the shirt. I love the fit on this, how the sleeves are a little longer on me. I love the colors. It's actually a good length on me. I typically prefer my sweaters to be a little bit longer, but I mean, this is still a good length. It's got the split on the sides. And overall, I just think it's cute. And yeah, I don't know how much this necklace does or doesn't go with this. It kind of does, but it kind of doesn't. This is on the longest setting, so I wish it could go down a little bit further on the chest, like maybe to there-ish, but here's the necklace. And now for the cardigan. So nervous. I'm gonna love this, and it's gonna be like $100. It's so cute though! Oh my gosh, I love these sleeves. They are so fun and just kind of quirky. I don't know. I love this. Just it lays really nicely. It's a really relaxed fit, but these sleeves are just so fun. It's so insanely me, this cardigan. Oh crap. Oh crap. It's probably like $100. Oh crap. I really like it though. Come with me, friends. Let's go look at prices. All right, we're here, we're back. I don't want to take this cardigan off. Let's see. Oh, hello, hi. I'm nervous. But first we'll read what my stylist had to say. Oh, so this was from someone different from last time. But it says, "Hi Cassie, happy fix day. Oh no, I'm sorry the last fix was a bit off, but as always, we do appreciate your honest feedback and I hope to have found some things that you'll love today. I saw that one of the big deal breakers last fix was non-breathable materials, so I was sure to find a ton of cotton or cotton blended pieces for you to see today. Saw that it's still freezing in Minnesota." She's in Texas, so really anything is over freezing to her. I have family that lives in Texas, so I do know that's true. But she focused on warm pieces that will still look good on camera, starting with the most amazing color blocked pullover from Skies Are Blue. The bright coral color will breathe some life into those dark winter days. And then the balloon sleeve cardigan from Madewell is another amazing piece. Try it with a simple tee or tank, then add the fun necklace from Every. Enjoy, best. Is it Emily or Amelie? I had a classmate when I was studying abroad in Germany that was Amelie. I just think that's a beautiful name. Emily is a gorgeous name too. But anyways, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous about the prices. But like, I love that, see, like they listen to you and that's nice. A lot of the time they listen to you anyways. I mean, when I'm good, I'm good. I knew it. This sweater is $94. The coral turtleneck was $68. The gray sweater is $68. The statement necklace is $28. And the, oh, woof, this one is $64. So, in total, everything, if I were to buy everything, it would come to $322, my god. But there is the buy all 5 discount of 25% off of everything. So that, with my styling fee, everything would come out to $221.50, which like, it's a lot of moolah. It's a lot of moolah. I'm so conflicted, you guys. I mean, I really don't buy very many clothes anymore. I really don't, because I feel like I'm happy with what I have. But so it makes me think like, okay, I can splurge and spend way more money than I think these things are worth. Like, do I think this sweater is worth $100? Absolutely not. But like, I love it. And will I get a ton of wear out of it? Probably, knowing me. Same thing with this sweatshirt. I mean, like the cardigan I could see being worth like $54. This sweatshirt feels like a $35 sweatshirt. Ugh, I'm very conflicted. I need you guys' help. Tell me, should I keep this stuff? I feel like some of it I have a hankering to keep. Mainly this cardigan and this green sweater. So let me know, should I treat myself, should I not? If you want to help me treat myself to these items, I mean, you don't have to, but I am a Stitch Fix affiliate. Anyone who is a part of Stitch Fix can be. I always have my link down below, so if you want to try out Stitch Fix for yourself, your first box, you will get I believe you get $25 off of your first box if you use my link, and then I get a commission, I guess, a kickback from that. So if you want to help me to afford these things, hey, that's one way of doing so. And then you get to try out Stitch Fix as well. So it feels like a win-win, right? I think so. No, you don't have to. Mainly, I just want you guys to let me know what you think of these items, which things should I keep, what should I send back, should I keep trying out these higher tiered item boxes from Stitch Fix, or should I put it back down to the lowest items? I really enjoyed this box. I really enjoyed trying these things on, and I am really happy with the pieces. I mean, conflicted, for sure, because of the price tags. I will always be a thrifty woman at heart, but anywho, let me know all of the things. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, this unboxing, this try on, and as I said, what your favorite pieces were on me and what you think I should keep or not keep. You can also just let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!